Welcome to the world of nature's one. My name is Lady Juliet. I am still in Paris, in France. Right now, I'm at the Arc de Triomphe here in Paris. Arc de Triomphe is a spot here in Paris where they commemorate their heroes, soldiers who died at war. So behind me here is this structure called the Arc de Triomphe. So I'm going to give you a walking tour now, and hopefully you can enjoy the tour. Let's do it, folks. Arc de Triomphe here in France. On the, these are I'm heading towards the Champs-Élysées now. Champs-Élysées is a very well-known street here in Paris. It's mainly, I mean, personally, if you asked me, I would say it's a street for the 1%, because all we have here are designer label shops, the Louis Vuittons, Balenciagas, etc., you name it. So this street here, Champs-Élysées, is really for people who are super rich, who can afford to shop here. So we're going down the street to see if we can capture some stalls around here and show that to you. I particularly want to show you the Louis Vuitton shop around here. It is wild. So stay with me, folks, and let's wait for a good time to cross this roundabout. Okay, viewers, so I crossed over safely. I want to show you the Louis Vuitton house. It's wild. I mean, when I saw it, I was like, what is this? So I'm almost there, and I can show it to you, and you can see exactly what I'm talking about. truly, if you want to be seen in France, this is the place to be, on Champs-Élysées, here in Paris, in France. It's changed quite a lot since I last was here, which was, we're talking over 20-something years ago. I came to France in 2000, just when we had the millennium. I was very, very impressed with the way they were welcomed in the year 2000. If you go on a YouTube video search, you will see that the French people concentrated, or the focus basically, the celebration of the year 2000 on the Eiffel Tower. I mean, Eiffel Tower was set alight, colors popping off. It was wild. I loved it so much, and I thought, okay, after the celebrations, I must pack my bags and come and see the Eiffel Tower. So that was my very first time coming to Paris. And I've been here so many other times, I can't remember, I can't count. Well, not as a YouTube content creator, but just for holiday, look around, do some shopping. But now it's different, because now I'm, you can call me a digital content creator. So I come now from a different mindset, showing you what the streets of Champs-Élysées looks like. It's a very long street, to be honest. It's really is a very long street. So I'm going to try to show you as much as I can, and because it's getting rather late, and I'm not one for hanging out too late. So if you ever in France, Paris, be sure to add a stroll down this very prestigious street. I mean, you can stop over and have a McDonald's snack. I've just seen past a McDonald's snack shop. There's also a Five Guys food store or restaurant. So, yeah, that's just something for us, the 99%ers, to do around here. So, yeah, so in case you're here, don't miss out on a casual stroll down this very prestigious street called Champs-Élysées. Earlier on, I showed you the Arc de Triomphe, so you can add that to your list of things to do as well. It's about 8 o'clock or gone 8 p.m. So, so obviously the shops have closed. But tomorrow, Monday, everything comes back alive again. But right now, what we have is the restaurants are busy. Tourists are dining and, you know, enjoying themselves, spending the money. Here is the place to spend the dosh. Okay. So I'm going to wrap it up now, guys, because it's getting rather late. Drop me a comment in the comment section of this video. Have you ever visited Paris? Or do you live here in Paris? Are you a viewer or a subscriber of the channel? Please drop a comment. Tell us a thing or two about Paris. It's been wonderful showing you around Champs-Élysées. It's one of my favorite streets here in Paris. I don't buy, but it's nice to look. So, yeah, feel free to please drop me a comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to please like this video for me, share this video. Yeah. Don't forget to please like this video for me, share this video, comment in the comment section. Let's meet there. I'll meet you all in the comment section. Are you a French man or woman? Are you a subscriber here on the channel? Please leave a comment. Share with us your experience or your experiences of living here or visiting here. And I'll see you all in the comment section. Take care, everybody, and best wishes always. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now. It's only me, Lady Juliet, from Champs-Élysées in Paris, here in France.
Voyez-vous, ici, nous parlons de sciences fondamentales. C'est-à-dire, nous parlons de connaissances fondamentales.
They have a Five Guys restaurant here, so I need to.
Go ahead.
Frage weshalb Sie sich, dass Sie nichts vergessen haben.
Paris, Paris.